Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today is our final episode 12 of our church camp. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share. Also, go ahead and take a visit to my website. There's all sorts of stuff on there to help support me and through all my endeavors. And with that out of the way, we're going to get right into today's video. So today we are going to be working on this light pole right up front here. So for that, you're going to need some phthalo green, Mars black, titanium white, and a little bit of cobalt blue. And we're going to mix up a wide variety of colors here just to get the right tone and paint in on some of these lines and details and things like that. I followed the reference image as best I could and just went up and down, going back and forth through my lighter and darker tones until I was pretty happy with how the pole came out. I wasn't fully satisfied with how some of the shadows ended up, but after I played around with it enough, I think it ended up looking pretty sharp. mixed up a little bit of my sky color, and I'm going to go around and do a little bit more of my touch-ups and fix some of these lines and things like that. There's going to be quite a bit of touch-ups that I do off camera. There's just going to be too much all over the place for me to really record, and I think the camera is just going to get in the way. But this pretty much gives the fundamental of what it all ended up looking like. All right, that's gonna do it for this painting. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. I'm really happy with how this ended up turning out, and I'm pretty excited to move on to the next one. Please make sure that you are subscribed. Go ahead and share, hit like, and all that other stuff, and I will see you in the next video.